Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video we're here at the very grassy long and tall trees, which is kind of cute, and it's really hanging in here, hanging kadiri guys. So it's just so pretty in here that I could stop vlogging. So cool, yeah. So let's see the beautiful nature. Oh, beautiful nature. So beautiful nature. So let's find some, yeah, there's some grains in here. Grains. And also I'm just sitting here, yeah, sitting in a sitting. So yeah, I just do a vlog today because, yeah, you know, why not? So I just found some pretty, there's a mountain back there. There you go. So I just found some pretty flowers. So let's see this flower, you know, let's see this flower. So here is the flower. So cute. And back there, pretty long bushes, you know. So cute there, cute, so cute. So we're not going to get them, you know, because, yeah. So my dad is just over there. He's talking to someone about something, you know, like, you know what I'm saying. So we're not going to talk about that. Let's just see the beautiful nature. Over there, back there. There's a back nature, so cute and so pretty. There are the flowers over there. And yeah, so I think that's it. I mean, no. Let's just see some more of nature. So let's see something pretty cool. There you go. It's so clean in there. So clean. Yeah. So it's so, like, you know, there's, it's like no person. I mean, it's just so, you know, so you feel like so comfortable here because the birds are chirping. Then, you know, there's no loud people, and yeah, so beautiful, you know. Just really love to here. I really love here. It's pretty amazing. The nature is amazing, you know. So do you want to get the what did you call that? Let's go for some more nature. Let's walk right now. So let's see. So I just can't go over there or here. Let's just go here so that I won't be further along. So yeah. And what? So yeah, so there's a something over there. Like, it's pretty cute. Like, okay, bye guys.